Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about Bossy or R controlled vowels. Okay, so children, we know that A, E, I, O, U. So these are vowels. Okay, so remaining all those alphabets, those are consonant sound. Okay, so what about Bossy or R controlled vowels means when we teach CVC words like can, hen, okay, like that. So are three letter words. Did you observe whenever we never include the word car, C-A-R, car. So this is because the vowels change their sound. Okay, vowel sound do not remain same when combined with the others. Okay, so A plus R, A plus R, R, E plus R, or IR and OR and also UR, the sounds make the same sounds. Okay, so like that. So vowels sound do not remain same when we combine with the other letter. Okay, so when we have a vowel along with the letter R, so the vowel sound is controlled. That vowel sound, when the vowel is combined with another sound, so that sound is controlled by the letter R. Okay, it is not a vowel. Okay, so the letter R is called a bossy R. Okay, so now today we will discuss about some example for this R controlled vowels. So air, A plus R sound as in the word R, A-R-E, R, and O plus R, that sounds or. So E plus R, I plus R and U plus R sounds is the same as in the bird, rd, B-I-R-D, bird, like that. Okay, so AR control, AR vowel sounds are shark, sh, k, and remember children, so we have not separate these two letters. So these two letters togetherly we make the sound sh, k, shark, st, star, d, t, dirt, farm, herd, charge, C-H-A-R-G-E, charge, charge, sh, p, sharp, g, d, den, garden, sm, smart, like that. So ear sounds make so germ, G-E-R-M, g, m, germ, sp, at, spider, what, water, verb, fern, sister, sister, brother, mother, So last sound is a Here E plus M is sound. Farmer. Okay. So then I are controlled words. Example for I are controlled words are bird, b, d, bird, g, l, girl, sh, t, shirt, d, t, dirt, f, fern, b, t, birth, circus. Okay, and then same, these sounds do not change. IR, OR and UR words, the sounds are same children. So wherever necessary, we have to add these words. Okay, these sounds. Horse, storm, 40, horn, sort, sword, fart. Okay, UR sounds purse, nurse, turtle, turn, hurt, fur, churn, burn. So like this we have to practice the R controlled words. So these whenever we learn the phonic sounds, after that we have to use these words. So on the basis of the sounds, the kids are able to remembering all those these are controlled vowels are Bossy, r.So it is very easy for further reading process for the kids, okay, for reading. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.